will serve this one. That was much needed by LPU kasi nakakaila na yung San Beda. Molina, back set. Gonna work, Puzon. To Doguna, down the line.
Wow.
Oh, nakaabang si Castillo.
Chance ball.
Puzon, quick. Naabangan din si Osada. Wow.
Ito na, Martin. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina. Medyo nakukuha na. At nakukuha na nitong San Beda Lady Red Spikers yung groove na kailangan nila. Na hinahanap nila. Tingnan natin, nabaliktad yung laro. At mukhang sila pa ang makakapunta sa 15.
And the blocking of San Beda continuing to serve problems for LPU. Ito na naman, 14-7. The Lady Red Spikers doubling up on the Lady Pirates.
Sobrang laking hindrance ng towering blockers itong San Beda Lady Red Spikers para sa Open Spikers. Itong Lyceum, hihirapan na sila kung kanina. Gumagana pa yung fast and low sets ngayon na tatimingan na.
Laguna. That's gonna be an error for LPU. Things are just falling apart for the Lady Pirates here in the second set. So they
Nahirapan
need
na rin sa adjustment. Dulong-dulo na. Halos nasa labas na ng antena.
pinakaunang adversity ng LPU this season here in the second set of their first game. Down by 8. Tulang. Popped up. Habakon. Puzon with the easy up. Here's the setup. They go to Jonah. Oh! Denied. Another block for San Beda.
Ito na kung kanina, dominant itong Lyceum sa service line. Nagpakita naman ng Beda ng dominance nila sa net defense nila. Kitang-kita natin. Kanina pa nahihirapan itong Spikers ng Lyceum.
Let's go to this technical timeout. 16-7 lead for San Beda. And again, the reserves responding well for Coach Edgar Baroga. But Paul is still up. Habakon. Lopez to Puzon. Tego to Tulang. That's too strong.
Yeah, that's outside. Marty, hindi ko alam pero parang ibang San Beda yung nakita ko ngayon.
Correct.
Galing sa first set. At iba rin yung Lyceum na nakita ko ngayon. Comparison sa first set.
And it was...
Nabaliktad. Sobrang nabaliktad.
Correct. Si Pachar. Yan po yung one of the sparks off the bench netong San Beda. That was an
San
emphatic quick.
Beda Lady Red Spikers sobrang
Naibabalik ng San Beda, no?
iba yung emphasis nila ngayon sa defense nila. Mapa-net defense, mapa-floor defense, lahat na-check nila na binabato ng sets ito ni Venice Puzon. Nahihirapan si Venice Puzon kung kanino niya ibibigay ngayon. Kasi kung hindi block rebound galing sa San Beda, tapos magiging transition play para sa San Beda, nagiging kill block para sa kanila.
That's right. Stacy Lopez replacing Joan Doguna. Bachar. Puzon. Tulang. They couldn't stop the bleeding. The lead has ballooned to 11. Pero bumalik pa rin ang bola. It's another kill block for San Beda. How about this? I call this an incidental kill block.
Yes, it is, Martin.
Diba?
Yun no, tumama. Tapos walang nag-recover ng bola.
And she's been playing well. Itong si Arizapa.
Yes, she had 2 kill blocks earlier, Martin.
That's right.
Nung nasa harap siya.
Shot naman yung inactivate. Oh, they're looking for a check. They're not gonna get the check.
That set was too low.
Pat Molina having a conversation here with our first referee, Rene Gonzalez. Pero LPU ang makakakuha nito. Osada. They go to Bako. Who scores?
Eto na, Martin, kanina sinasabi ni Coach Ed Baroga na ang problema nila reception. Kitang-kita natin ang pinagkaiba kapag nagkakaroon ng magandang reception itong San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Mas nakakapag-discarte ng maayos. At nagkakaroon